Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device actually supports an always-on display. Without hardware support, the rest won't work. Once done, update the operating system and the clock or display app so you have the latest controls and security fixes. Next, make sure battery saver is off and the device is charged above 20% while you change settings. That prevents automatic overrides. Finally, open display or lock screen settings and locate ambient, always-on, or clock options to start configuration. Now you enable the always-on or ambient display toggle. This activates a persistent clock layer. Then choose a clock style that conserves pixels. Monochrome or minimal designs reduce power draw and set a low brightness level. Next, define a schedule or opt for continuous display if your battery tolerates it. Scheduled hours save energy. Also decide which notifications show and allow do not disturb exceptions, because frequent updates can wake the screen and increase power use. Finish by testing the always-on clock for 10 to 15 minutes while watching battery and screen behavior. You want a steady dim clock without flicker. If the clock dims or disables unexpectedly, check battery optimization and background activity permissions for the clock and display services. These often force sleep. Once done, restart the device to apply changes. If problems persist, reset the clock or display app settings to defaults and reconfigure. That clears conflicts between system power rules and the always-on feature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.